I have these boxes up here in my attic, some insulation, some ductwork. There's our plenum there, Grandma's walker. And I'm going to take these boxes and open them up here. I might open up one of them in a second. SBD2, I think I might open that up. These are EWC zone dampers. There's a zone panel over there. And I'm going to install 3 zone dampers here. And take a look at one of them just real quick. Ought to be kind of fun. This will be the first part of this. It is nighttime outside, so I'm just bringing them up here to sit them for tonight. Hopefully get started over the weekend, because it'd be real easy. Just take the flex off. Even if I might not even have to cut it back that much. You cut the helix, then pull the flex over it. Depends on how it's laid out. I have some insulation up here just in case, but let me open up the new bypass, take a look at it real quick. I know it's dark up here. You could see it has that little in there. I don't know what you're gonna call that. I'm sure there's a name for it. I'll figure it out. I call it a turbulator. Creates a little bit of turbulence in the bypass. I think to create a little bit extra static pressure, but I'm not positive on that either. So here we have our connections there. That's what the damper motor looks like. The other side, same thing. My so-called turbulator. Some other pieces in here. Put those right there. Then we have parts you need. Boy, I like that. We have some, we have little static pressure tips there. Really cool. So you can tell it's gonna be measuring static pressure. It's really awesome. But I don't see. Looks like right there. Let me hold it up to the light a little bit. Right there, we have our taps. So that's where you get our static pressure. And of course, this thing is Bluetooth too, I believe. So should be pretty cool. All right, guys, there we are. There's kind of our first step here. Looking forward to installing this stuff. It'll be a slow process, so next video will probably be a little while before it comes out. But I just wanted to kind of break it open. Maybe we'll get the zone panel open here soon. Now this is just the bypass, which we shouldn't need a whole lot of bypass here. We have a 12. We have a 12 down here, another 12, and a 10. This is a 10. That's a 12. There's another 12 on the other side. I made the long run, which is a 10 down there, a 12, just to get the extra air down there. Lower the static on that run, lower the total effective length, so to speak, so I get more air down there. And right now I have them balanced out. It's been kind of a balancing war to figure out what the perfect balance is, but hopefully this will help right here. So stay tuned for more